simple equations, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll just continue with simple equation. What we were doing?
Ma'am, how to solve equation? Ma'am, like the recording class which you sent yesterday, I couldn't get it, ma'am.
Yeah, actually that was the other student. For other students, he already knew the thing, so I was not explaining. He was only doing it. So we'll just continue from here. What was the last question we did? Can you recall it?
Ma'am, I think it was like we were just doing like uh, I
Did we
think
started
solving,
solving?
ma'am. Just like, ma'am, like for like we first finished like writing the statements like sum of 3 and 4. We finished
Okay.
that,
Mm-hmm.
then yeah, we started writing statements.
Okay,
I
so
mean,
we
we
haven't
started
started
writing
solving
equations.
it, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, solving
Right?
equations.
Okay, so we'll just start it today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what. So you have different method to do it. So whatever method you are like you are following the transportation method, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, that was actually simultaneous.
Hmm.
Transposition method is the easier one. Like,
Okay, so
like
you
just
have
doing like,
two methods.
yeah,
See, I'll just do the first question with both the methods, so you can choose whatever you want to do. Okay.
what's the ma'am?
So for example, x minus 1 equals to 0. So what I can do, I can put the x here, like leaving the variable behind and shifting this constant number to the right hand side. Okay, so it will, like if it is negative, it will become positive. It is positive, it will become negative. If it is in multiplication, it will come in division. If it is in division, it will come in multiplication. Opposite will work, right? So
Right,
this
ma'am.
number was in negative. So it's like it came here, so it became 1. Clear? Got it? This is a simple method which we follow. Now coming to the one, x minus 1 equals to 0. So what you will do, this is negative. So you will write add 1 on both the side. Clear? So
Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
do here x minus 1 plus 1 and here 0 plus 1. So plus minus got cancelled. What is left? X is left here and here 1. So this is my answer. So it's up to
Yes,
you which method you feel like is convenient for you and you can follow that one. Is this clear?
yes, ma'am.
So which one you feel like is good for you? Like,
Of course, ma'am, that transpose.
okay, so just go for it. Okay, so just write down the first one and then do all the parts and we'll discuss the answer all together. And I can't see you, you can switch on your camera also. Okay.
Ma'am, finished.
I'm so sorry, I was on mute. Okay. You can't see my expression, but seem like in case if I'm talking, you can tell me that, ma'am, you are on mute.
No, ma'am, like your face was down, so I
Okay.
was.
Okay. So yeah, so the first one we already discussed, that is 1. So what would be the answer for the second one?
Ma'am, -1.
Third?
Third is 6.
Fourth?
-4.
Okay. Fifth?
-3.
F?
8.
G?
0.
H?
-8.
Good. Very good. So you got all of them correct. So now the similar way we will be doing the next one. Okay, the same one. So in this one you had only addition and subtraction, right? In the other one, the next question which I'm going to share, you will have division and multiplication as well. So be like just write down
Ma'am,
this.
in that also, can you like just teach like the two methods?
Yes, yes, yes. It would be same only. Now in this case, for example, it was plus, like you were adding and you were subtracting. So I'll just share both the methods. So for example, this one, first one, right? It is 3L equals to 42. So the first method, which is very easy, is 3L equals to 42. So you need to make the variable alone. That's the strategy we follow. You need to make this variable alone. So if you want to make this variable alone, you need to shift this 3 on right hand side. Yes. So if what is the
Yes, ma'am.
relationship between this variable and this number?
Ma'am, they are multiplying.
Multiply. So once they'll cross it or once they'll move to the other side, that will be in division. So L would be 42 divided by 3. And then you can solve it and you got the answer. Right? Now the
Yeah.
other method which we follow over here, that was in multiplication. So you will say divide 3 on both sides. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So here 3L divided by 3 and here 42 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 got cancelled. L equals to whatever you will divide, 3 ones are and 3 fours are. So you got 40. Here also L equals
Yeah.
to 4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in certain cases, like for example this one. This 3 is there, you just need to shift it that side. So work accordingly. Okay? So after looking at this, these type of question don't feel like, oh my god, ma'am, what is this? You just need to shift this 5, like for example, if it is A, this. So what you will do, if you are following this method, then you will write, this is in division. So you will write multiply 5 on both the side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever the variable is and whatever the relation is, here we do opposite of it and here we write opposite of it. Divide on the both side, multiply on the both side like that. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I finished. Hello, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Let's discuss the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
For the first one, I already did. Second one.
Ma'am, second one is 12,
Okay. Next.
28,
Hmm.
51.2.
Okay. You don't need to solve in decimal. Just write in the fraction. Because this is not a fraction in decimal. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the next one is, it won't be this, so that means it's 36 by 8.
Okay, correct. You can simplify it like 36 by 8. Further can be 9 by 2, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 9 by 2, ma'am. Sorry,
Huh.
ma'am. Then it's 15 by 4.
Hmm.
Then 17 by 3.
17 or 7 by 3?
Oh, 7 by 3, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. I wrote the number as 17.
Hmm. Okay. Next.
And the next one is 1 by 2.
Hmm. Sure.
My
Hmm. Negative 1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2.
Yeah, correct. Very good. Okay. Now let's just move to the. Now the recording is making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Okay. Because I didn't explain it because you already know the things, right? And he was following the
Yes.
first method. So, okay. Now coming to the next one. Give the step. Now over here you would have two steps, right? So I'll solve the
Yes,
first.
ma'am.
So for example, 3n minus 2 equals to 46. So first step would be, I'm just writing here, step 1 would be add 2 on both sides,
Both sides.
right? So it would be 3n minus 2 plus 2 equals to 46 plus 2. So here 3n is left and here 48 is left, right? Then
Yes, ma'am.
step 2,
Um,
divide,
divide by 3 on both
divide by
sides.
3 on both sides. On both sides. So 3n divided by 3 equals to 48 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 got cancelled. N is left. And then 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 80. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you note it down and do the other.
Ma'am, I finished. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I think you're on mute. Yeah.
Ah, yes. Now, Basim is careful. Okay. Tell me the answer for the first one.
Ma'am, first
First
one is
one I
16.
already did. Hmm.
Yeah.
Second one.
Second one is 2.
Third one.
6.
Hmm. Fourth one.
20.
Correct. Very good. Okay. Now this one would be the mixed question, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, all of it. The same way.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
I completed.
Okay.
No, no.
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the answers.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the first one is P is equal to 10.
Hmm.
Second one, P is equal to 9.
Hmm.
Third one, P is equal to 20.
Hmm.
Fourth one, P minus P is equal to 15.
Minus P, no, you'll shift that there. So P would
Yeah,
be minus 15.
yeah.
Okay. Hmm.
Then fifth one is 8.
Hmm.
Then the sixth one is 3, minus
Hmm.
3. And the G one is minus 4.
Hmm.
And then H is 0.
Hmm.
I is A is equal to 3.
Hmm.
J is also 3.
Hmm.
And the L is also 3.
Negative 3.
Yeah, negative 3.
K1 is negative 3. K1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Good. Hmm. Okay. Now more equations. Okay. So over here we will like it's going to be same, right? So we will practice few more questions now. Okay. Like for example, this one. You know how to do this, right? Again, two steps would be involved, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Two steps must be involved.
Solve this and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is 10 by 4.
Okay, let's see. The answer is 10 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll do it here and let's see. Okay, so 12p, so you minus plus 5, right?
Yeah.
30,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Yeah.
Then with which table? 2 table? 2, 6, 2, 1, 5. Then 3, 2, 5. Hmm? This is what you got?
Ma'am, but I divided it with 3, so I got 10 by 4.
Yeah, so 10 by 4 you can further solve, no? 2 5s are 10,
Yeah.
2 2s are.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's for 5 by 2.
Yes.
Okay.
Now this one. Do you know how to do these type of question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first you will multiply this like 4m plus 4 multiplied
Yes,
by
ma'am.
3 is 12.
Divided. 18.
Then the same process, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the answers.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, A is 15 by 4.
15 by 4. Can 15 by 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Let me just solve it once. Okay, so here it is 18 minus 12. Yes, this got cancelled. So M would be from 12, 18, 90, 12, 35.
I mistakenly did a mistake, ma'am. I
Hmm.
mistakenly did 4m plus 3 instead of 12, ma'am. Sorry.
Oh, hmm.
Yes, ma'am, the answer is 4.
Okay, so I'll solve it and we'll look, right? Then
Yes,
12
ma'am.
minus 18, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 6.
Yes, ma'am, 6.
Yes. Then 6 by 4.
Ma'am, 18 minus 12. Oh, yeah, 6 by 4 is the answer. Yeah, sorry, 6 by 4.
And then 2 threes are 2 twos are. So 3 by 2.
Yeah, 3 by 2.
Yes. Hmm. And here we get 2 this and 6. Right? For
Yes,
this, what
ma'am.
you got?
Ma'am, for this, I got 5 by 2. Ma'am, but
Okay.
like in this, I'm having one doubt, ma'am. Like,
Huh.
for example, if it's minus x,
Hmm.
so should we like shift the sign to the this? Yeah, minus 5 by 2. It's minus 5 by 2.
Wait a minute. Minus 5. No. Just can you solve it again once? Just check it if you made any mistake. You got this equation?
Ma'am, I just did the same mistake, ma'am. Instead of doing minus 2x plus, I did minus 2x plus 3.
Hmm. This is 6, right? 2 multiplied by this is minus 6 now.
Yes,
Now solve
ma'am.
it. Solve it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the answer is minus 1.
Hmm. Okay. Let's see. So minus 2x would be here and then 8 plus 6 would be here. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So 8, 6, 6, 12, 13, 14 will get.
Ma'am, 8 minus 6, right?
This is minus.
Ma'am, but the sign on the top, look, ma'am, the question is plus.
So we multiplied it now. That's C. Minus 2 was multiplied by x. So you got minus 2x. If
Yeah,
minus
then
2 would be
plus.
multiplied to 3, so what you will get?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus minus 6, right?
Oh,
So minus 2x and then plus minus minus. So minus 6 would be 8. Okay.
okay, ma'am. I think I did a mistake. Ma'am, the answer is -7.
Sure. -7?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. That's correct. Okay. So you don't have to repeat this mistake, okay?
Okay,
Be
ma'am.
careful while doing this. Okay. Now we have like we will practice these type of question more. Don't worry. I'll just introduction of these questions, right? So we have a lot of questions in the exercise, so we'll practice it. Now
Okay,
this
ma'am.
one. So now over here, the sum of 3 times of a number and 11 is 32. You have to find the number. Earlier you were only framing the statements and the equations, right? Now you
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
solve it. So solve it quickly and tell me the answer. First from the
Okay.
equation.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the equation is 3x plus 11 equal to 32 and the answer is 7.
The answer is 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, correct. Okay, so I'll give you one more question. Hmm.
Ma'am, can you tell me how to do this question
Okay.
first?
Yeah. So it says a number, find a number such that 1/4 of a number is 3 more than 7. You remember we did this type of question?
Yes,
Equation.
ma'am.
1/4 of a number, right, is
Yeah.
3 more than 7. Or we can write it like this. M upon 4 minus 7 equals to 3. You remember this equation we did in the class?
Oh, yes, ma'am. So that
Yes.
means
Hmm.
m upon 4 equal to
Hmm.
10.
But instead of writing it like this, why see if you do this, then the answer you'll simply solve it and it would be this, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
if you will match this with the statement, is it same? No, there's no mention of 10 and you have written 10 here. So that's why we write it like this. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Ma'am,
then
so
you,
basically can I write like first m by 4
huh,
by 4 equals 3 plus 7, then m by 4
then
equals.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll solve it and we'll discuss the